Only 1/4 of the shape is dimensioned, so all 8 segments follow the same dimensions in symmetry. This edge's position isn't clear, but it appears to line up with this point. By using the bisecting line tool and clicking on the 2 lines, it creates an infinite line that bisects the angle between them. This line will help split the shape and focus on just the first section. Placing the shape's center on the coordinate origin makes mirroring with absolute axes precise and easy, keeps the sketch stable if you change dimensions, speeds up ISO constraints, and helps everything align neatly with other elements later. Now the main section is ready. We can use it for successive mirrors to quickly complete the full shape. For shapes like this, where one main section is repeated, this is the fastest way to draw the full geometry. Using this approach not only speeds up your work, but also keeps your sketch clean, fully symmetric, and easier to edit later. Keep improving your CATIA skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe.